very heartfully welcoming anyone also to your heart. You love everybody because He is Shiva, He is God. That godly consciousness is awakened in your heart, so you just love anyone because of the God consciousness. He is the Antaryami in all of these things. When we go to the ocean, Shiva is Antaryami in the ocean. When we go to any river, in Columbia River, Amazon, any doesn't, any river, that river is Shiva. The small creek is Shiva. The water drop is Shiva. Raindrops are Shiva. Everything is Shiva. Oh, all the Jalavachakas, they mention thousands of the water things. Everything is the Shiva, 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 Shiva. That is what. When we see that, no, before I just see Ram with a dry mind ocean, with my dry feelings, just a ocean, Taisar comes and goes. That's only that. After my spiritual vision opened by the Rudram, then I saw the ocean and the tides are Rudra. The tides comes, they want to touch high, but they fell down, and they again trying. It teaches me a lesson. How many times it want to grow high, it just immediately fell down. And then it never stopped the effort. I have to do the same thing. How many times failures comes in the life, I must not stop my effort. I have to put my effort more and more, again and again. How many criticisms comes, how many challenges comes, how many problems comes, I must not stop my journey. It is a journey, children. In the journey, mother was passed away, dad was passed away, these people are passed away, innumerable people are passed. We must not stop our journey, we have to go. What all the problems comes, we have to accept that. And Rudram gives you a wide heart, a wide, biggest heart. Your vision will become very wider and wider and wider, more than the sky. You are accepting all the challenges what you are facing in the life. You are not crying for a small ant bite or the mosquito bite. No, for smaller things people are crying and no value for that crying. Mosquito bite and ant bite, and how it's meaningless, no? So that's why when we have problem, the problem must be I am not able to utilize my time for spiritual practices. I am wasting my time in my life. Oh God, when you are going to open my heart, when you are allowing me to do the tapas, when you are allowing me to give your darshan, I really want in my lifetime the self-realization, Atma Sakshatkaram. For this reason only we have to cry. That's what Upanishad says to us. Sweet children, love you so much. Thank you so much. Amma special blessing. And our programs, watch the programs. When they started here, what you have to do is take 2 lamps with the morning sunlight time. You have to wake up before the sunrising time. Whatever the time according to your areas, you have to wake up before sunrise, take the shower, and then what you have to do is take the wheat flour. With the wheat flour, mix some milk nicely and make a dough, and make the clay pot type of the diya pot, and then put the cow ghee in that. And one part is one diya is with the cow ghee, another diya is the melted butter, and to put the 2 wicks in that, white color ones, and these are called prana jyotis. So you have to put the prana jyotis and chant the Rudram, One Jyoti is your Atma Jyoti, second Jyoti is Shankar Bhagavan. So you want to go to mix with the Shiva and Shakti with yourself. That's why these are the Prana Jyotis. In front of that, these must not be stopped, the Jyotis must not be down. They have to put some oil also until your para and recitation finished. Okay, then what happened to collect all the things and put it in the backyard or some. Don't put it in the garbage box. Put it in the backyard for the Mother Earth. They are charging with the mantras, so it must be dissolved in the Mother Earth only. Definitely do that. Kuja dosham, Saturn dosham, all the Angaraka, so many doshas will be destroyed by doing the recitation in front of the 2 Prana Jyotis. So this is what I have to share with my children. I am so grateful for all the sadhana what you did and supporting the wonderful program. Program is going very smoothly without any frictions. Very, very beautiful time with all the people. Please have no time to breathe. They wake up early morning and running and just finished the program and exhausted 12 o'clock, and they went and take rest. Again 4 o'clock they came, and again recitations till 9 o'clock. 5 hours uninterruptedly chanted mantras. Very beautiful. Amma special love and motherly affection to all the people all over the world, to my children. I love you always from the bottom of my heart. Amma special motherly affection once again to all of you. Love you so much. Millions, billions, trillions, gazillions, countless gazillions of times I love you like anything. Thank you. ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।